Hello, inflatable fans, I hope you're all well. I'm in Filey, and as you can see, it's so calm. Let's go for a paddle. Right, let's get in. Come on, little light Deschutes, let's go. I'm doing a bit of a cowboy launch today. I'm going to drag the boat in so far so that the skeg is underwater. Reverse out a little bit. And off we go. The wind muffler on the camera mic has got a bit wet during the launch, so it might be a little bit muffled, but we're off. It is so calm, it is beautiful. So I'm out in the Deschutes and I'm wondering how this boat's going to handle being on the sea. I mean, granted it's very calm, as you can see. As you can see the sea! Look at that, isn't it beautiful? I've taken the wind muffler off the mic, so it might get a little bit noisy. It's not windy today, just a little slight offshore breeze. Oh, it's nice to be back out here actually. The last time I came out here with Tom, it was really nice. I'm not going to be straying far from the shoreline. Just going to be paddling along for a little way, you know, just for the fun of it. I just noticed over there you can hardly see Flamborough and Bempton because there's a little bit of a sea threat. So this is the south side of Filey seafront, and just up there you've got Martin's Ravine, and on the cliffs on the left hand side of the shot there's a golf course. Oh man, this is so nice. I've just recorded a separate video on what I consider to be perfect conditions for actually going out and sea paddling, because I've turned up here from York today not knowing what it was going to be like. But I did have an idea based on certain factors, so the next video will be about that. Got somebody taking a run across the beach there. Got to have strong ankles for running on the rocks and stuff. Can you see that tree that's come down the cliff? That's erosion for you. The landscape of this has changed so much since I was a kid. Actually not far from Primrose Valley now. I don't know whether I'm right in what I'm seeing there, but at the top of the cliff, or near the top of the cliff, there's a flag. I wonder if that's one of the golf holes where it's eroded down and dropped. Weird. So just up there, more on the right hand side, you might be able to see some buildings coming into view. I think it's now Haven Homes, Primrose Valley as it's known. It used to be Butlins and all that kind of thing up there when I was a kid. Just on the shoreline there, you might be able to make out some brickwork. There's quite a few old pillboxes and so on that have dropped down the cliffs over the years, become buried in the sand. Bempton Cliffs. I can see Flamborough, and Bempton Cliffs are a bit clearer. I don't know whether you've seen the video of the sea paddling we did around Flamborough, where we explored the sea caves and so on. That was brilliant, really good. It's worth a watch if you haven't seen it. There's the valley that goes up to, that is known as Primrose Valley, I should say. A couple of people taking an early morning walk. It is just coming up to 8 o'clock as I record this. It's 10 to 8. So high tide was about 10 to 7, I think it was. Top of the cliffs there, you can see one of those pillboxes I mentioned. You know, given the erosion, you've got to wonder how long they've got, haven't you? Said it before and I'll say it again. You just can't beat bobbing around on a big expanse of water. Often wonder whether that would be a nice place to live or awful. Anyway, let's see if we can get to Hummonby Gap. I think I've got time. What do you reckon? Horrible place to live or not? There's a pack of mad spaniels on the beach and some more of those pillboxes if you can make them out. Done about 2 miles. Filey's up there in the distance. Hummonby Gap is just over there, roughly centre screen. And here we've got Hummonby Gap. Now it does look a bit different to I remember. I haven't been out this way for a long time. And the cliffscape has changed quite considerably. Yeah. Anyway, this is going to be my turnaround point. I've come to Filey to see Mum today, and the conditions just happen to be right to get out on the water. So that's why I've come through early. Get out on the water for a bit. So yeah, I'm going to turn around here. Looks so far away, doesn't it? Well, looking at my watch there, 1.2, just nearly 2 miles, 48 minutes. Absolutely stunning day. Just unbelievable, really. Tell you what, Filey's going to be really busy today with traffic. Hey, look at these swells coming in. Woohoo! Up ahead in the distance in that direction I can just see Filey Brig. A couple of gulls larking about there. back by Primrose Valley now. Might be hard to tell from where you are, but the tide has definitely gone out of it. It's another one of those times where I kind of don't want to stop, but I've got to. I could quite happily go in, get something to eat, and then come back out again. Ah well. Anyway, I'm nearly back to where I launched from. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking and subscribing. Blah, bloody blah. I know you get fed up of hearing about it, I do. But it helps. Gotta do what helps, haven't you? Go on, tell me Filey isn't a lovely place. Gorgeous, isn't it? Do you know what? I think I'm going to be quite fortunate. I'm not going to have quite so far to walk with the boat as I thought, which is kind of cool. Certainly a few more cars up there now than there was when I came. So I've been out for an hour and a half and I've done 3.77 miles. Alright, isn't it? Been lovely. Nice little poodle. I've got to admit, love this Deschutes. Really do. There we go. Landed. Whoops, just knocked the camera in the water. Anyway, that's me done. Thanks so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio. Morning.
Have you been or are you going?
I've been. It was lovely.